Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today I have bring another amazing crypto meme project that is called APAPI. This is the combination of app and Pappy, and here you can also check out its current price, and you can also analyze price chart. So it is growing very fastly, and dear friends, this project is already listed on more than 20 trusted and reliable exchange where you can also trade and buy. And if this is the best project ever in 2025, and this is the new combinations, and it is growing very fastly. Here you can also check out its market cap, and you can also check out the holders detail. And if many people are already investing and joining this amazing platform, and it is also available on the CoinGecko. Here you can also analyze price chart and check out more detail about this project. And if you can easily grab this opportunity and buy from any of the cryptocurrency here, like that Maxi, Get Data, USTX, BingX, Bitmart, LBankXT.com, Uniswap, and Baconomy.com. You can also check out all the trusted reliable exchange have this amazing crypto meme project, and you can also find out all official links in my video description. And unlike many fake meme coins, it is driven by the power of the community and is fully prepared for success. There is no end to the top. With the power of Pappy and Pappy, they are trying to reach a new normal. Here you can also check out our social media and DEX tool and Queen Market Cap link in my video description. And here you can also check out the total and members. Here you can also check out they have 2 million, more than 2 million organic community, as well as you can also check it is based on the Polygon Dex market. Here you can also check out how to buy a Pappy. You need to simply install your MetaMask from the App Store or Google, then deposit Polygon on the wallet. You can buy it from the exchange or directly from MetaMask and connect your wallet by accessing the link above. At PancakeSwap, check it. The contract address is APAPI. Enter the amount of BNB to trade with APAPI. There is no tax, and you can usually set the slip page to 0.01 to 0.10 in the setting right here. Here you can also check out the listed exchange detail, and it is more than 20 exchange where you can also buy this amazing crypto meme project. And here you can also check out the information about the APAP on the Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, BitGet, IQ.wiki, and Queen Market Cap as well. Here you can also check out the token mix and defense. Here you can also check out the number of total supply, and 70% is up for the airdrop and defense, 10% for the DEX and circulating supply, and 10% for centralized exchange, and 10% reserve. Here you can also check out the community detail and many more information. You can also check out its roadmap, that how the things are going on. You can also check out it will be listed on many exchange, and step 3 they will be listed on one tier exchange listing and top of the memes. And here you can also check out the partners who are supporting this amazing platform, like that UX Link, IQ Wiki, and Invite, BitGet, and many more. Here you can also check out. Here you can also contact, and you can also join their social media. They have very strong community right here. Here is it's a white paper you must be read out thoroughly. Meme coins representing the Polygon network right here. You can also check that a Pappy is a new meme that combines app and Pappy to the symbolize small investor, and a Pappy community aims to bring together small investor and becomes a force to be reckoned with. Here you can also check out all information, and you can also check out their community detail, and it have a large of the community on the X as well as Telegram group and channel. And you can also check out the holders detail, and it have a more than 2 million organic community. Here you can also check out the community matrix as well as on-chain data liquidity polls. And here you can also check out the holders detail, and the number and the score is 99 over 99. And you can also check out the liquidity poll detail and the volume data matrix right here. You can also check out the top of the DEX market, and it is getting first position on our DEX tool, DEX screener, CMC DEX, Uniswap, as well as a Gago terminal right here. You can also check out the top of the DEX of the market, where you can also find out the APAPI ranked number 1. Here top of the DEX market, where you can also find out the APAPI ranking on number 1. Here you can also check out of the DAX market, where you can also find out the APAPI on the best position right here. You can also check BitGet meme wave 2025 and as well as OKX wallet campaign. You can also check out the partnership with many trusted and well-known companies, as well as here you can also check out the APAPI promotion view status. It is in more than 100 millions views on it. You can also check out the promotion status as well as promotion status detail and many more detail right here. You can also check out the information listing on Binance, Coinbase, BitGet, Crypto.com and many more right here. You can also check out the bottom up plan and defense. It will be listed very soon on the one tier exchange listing and many more. You can also find out all official links in my video description. So defense, here I also recommended to all of you must be joined its Telegram community, where you can also check out a lot of subscriber already. Its community is very strong and organic. You can also join its Telegram community, as well as I recommended to all of you must be follow them on their X account. Meme movement on Polygon, 2 million plus strong and verified community. BitGet meme wave champions airdrops on the OKX and defense. Here you can also check more information, and you can also check that August 7 2025 APAPI back at the number 1 on HTX hot coin ranking, and who is the meme king, another milestone, another record. APAP is strong together. Here you also check out, this is the great news about APAP. Here you can also check out more information related to this amazing project, and must be follow them on their X account to get latest news and updates as well. This is the next gem project in 2025. I recommend it to all my community, all my friends. You must be buy APAP right now, but do your own research. I hope you like this video. Share with friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.